stretched her paws and gave a yawn, tiptoed past the breakfast plate, planning something truly great. She chased a butterfly through air, twirling, leaping without care, then found a mouse just made of fluff. They tumbled round till both had enough. Grandpa's slippers gone, oh dear, Kitten dragged them far from near. Then she bounced upon his bed, tickled Grandpa's sleepy head. He sat up with eyes so wide. "Kitten, where do you like to hide?" She just purred and gave a wink, then vanished in a flash, blink. Through the garden paws went pat. She even wore Grandpa's hat. Under chairs and through the hall, up the curtains, then a fall. Grandpa chuckled, time to eat, and gave her cookies warm and sweet. Kitten licked her whiskers clean, the happiest cat you've ever seen. They shared some milk and toast at last. The morning mischief fading fast, cuddled close in Grandpa's lap. They drifted off for a cozy nap.